Hello all. Today I will be discussing a problem from the game theory. So has given player A, player B, and we have to find out the value of the game. So to find out the value of the game, so let us take the problem. So player A 1 3 1 0 minus 4 minus 3 1 5 minus 1. So player B. Understand, if A is gaining means B is losing. See here few negative values that we have. That means this negative value represents the B's gain and A's loss. So these are all the outcomes. So in these outcomes, let us find out. So by calculating the row minimum, so in this the row minimum is 1, and in this one the maximum negative is the minus 4 and maximum negative is the minus 1 here. In the same way, we will be calculating column maximum. So maximum is here 1 and 5 and 1. So in this one, in the minimum column, maximum value we have to identify. So here we can identify this and we can call this as maximin. In the same way, in the column maximum, we have to find the minimum. Here we have two minimum values, so better I am taking this one as a minimum value in the maximum column. So this I will call it as minimax. So here we have maximin as 1 and minimax as 1. So whenever the maximin that is 1, which is equals to 1 of minimax. So here both the values are equal. So 1 is equals to 1. So we can say that there exists a saddle point. The saddle point which can be identified the intersection of this particular column and this particular row. So where is that intersection point? So this. The saddle point is also 1. Hence, as saddle point is 1, the value of the game represented as V is equals to 1. Right? From game theory, this is the example for the game theory problem with the saddle point, when saddle point exists. Thank you.